Okay, so it's been a minute since I made a video. I'm Gabriel, in case you're not familiar, and the channel you're watching is Drum Tip Tuesday, and today I am doing an unboxing. Never really did an unboxing before. I don't get a whole lot of new stuff. I usually pick up stuff used, I like a good deal, and I thought, what if the packing material is ugly? And I think that perhaps you don't care, all right? So, what we're gonna do is start this video. By the end of this video, you're gonna be able to hear what this drum sounds like, what I think of it, and so let's continue. Got the old, got Dad's old letter opener here. Try to make this part as fast as I can. If it takes too long, what I'll do is just, I'll speed up the film or I'll cut this out. It seems like Dad's old letter opener is doing the trick. And the boxing, or the padding, is not ugly. I didn't tell you what we were unboxing, right? I think I did. Anyways, what's here, a little more specifically. Yep, that's what it is a 5 by 14 inch hand-hammered bronze, is what it is, snare drum. Made specifically by Pacific Drums and Percussion, PDP, a division, from what I understand, of DW Drums. And, wow, maybe I will end up fast-forwarding this video, because this is packed well. This is, I got this from a seller on Reverb. Reverb's their website, just as the name would apply. They sell previously owned, previously loved instruments, particularly drums is what we're interested in here. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I'm going to cut this out and I'll be right back. And we're back. Really had to struggle with that wrapping, but you know, that's a good sign because it means that it was packaged pretty nice. Looks like we have the original old, maybe not. No, not the original snares, from a Tama Star Classic, I guess. Which is fine, because these kind of snares are these kind of snares and they work just fine. Copper, or not copper, rather bronze, hand-hammered, just like in the pictures. Something I didn't understand, or maybe we put a different head on it. We have the Remo Diplomat fiber skin. I'm definitely gonna, that's a real specific sound on any drum. So what I'm gonna do is probably swap that out so you can hear the kind of snare drum sound that you're used to and the kind of snare drum sound that I'm used to. Of course, I'm gonna tune it up first just to see what it sounds like. Maybe it sounds cool with the Diplomat fiber skin on it, but I'll give it a shot. One way or the other, you know, maybe I'll do both. At any rate, let's go back to the drums and hear what it sounds like. Okay, as always, comment below, let me know what you think. My mind, though, is made up. This drum is a baddie. And fiber skin Diplomat, like the thinnest one that they make, who'da knew, right? I wouldn't, this would be the last head that I put on anything for anything that I do, and it is absolutely incredible. Just my impression of it as I was playing it. I didn't, by the way, another wonderful experience with reverb.com. If you haven't checked them out, I would. They do not sponsor this video. When I get something I like, I talk about it. This drum, wow, the complexity of sound coming from it. It is so rich in the overtones. It reminds me, okay, so brief story here, all right? So I'm in college, and everybody wants the Allen Abel triangle because it has like one specific pitch to it, ding, it's really pure sounding and nice. I feel like that's most of the snare drums that I've had. I've dialed them in for one specific thing, one specific pitch. Not specific pitch, but you know what I mean, one focused sound. This thing is like what a buddy of mine, he's no longer with us anyways, Eric Jones, he came from West Coast and he was like, the hell with that triangle, I've got your 9-inch Grover triangle right here. And that thing was just shimmering with every overtone in the spectrum. And it was just such an eye-opener. It was really cool. This snare drum, same kind of experience. I never had any metal that was other than steel or brass. I still like brass. I'm sure steel has its place. However, this bronze snare drum, especially hand hammered like this, with this head on it, tuned this way, and even had the snares. The snare had a nice tension. I didn't touch this thing. I just brought it out of the box, set it on a stand, and it was beautiful. I can't say enough nice things about this in my experience. At any rate, I'm Gabriel. I hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this. Ask me any questions. I never did one of these before, so just ask me about the drum. Ask me about what I played. I teach drum lessons at drumtiptuesday.com. Just ask me stuff. Anyways, once again, I'm Gabriel. You're watching Drum Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video.